And we're going to Korczyna because there is a cafe slash chocolate factory there which has won international awards, and we're going to find out how good the chocolate is there. So let's go. This chocolate factory is located in Korczyna, which is just 15 minutes away from Krosno, or 6 kilometers, and we're heading there. It's gonna take us about 15 minutes to get there. Now, according to the internet, Korczyna is a village in the Krosno county with a population of just 6,000 inhabitants. But it's got a huge church, as you can see there in the back. And the small market square, in my opinion, is green. There are a lot of trees and beautiful. Right outside the chocolate factory, there are these cars. This one is made from the movie Cars, and there's a place where you can see an exposition of cars. I don't know where, I just know that it's here in the market square, because this is the market square of Korczyna. The church is right there in the back, the bus station, and in my back, the chocolate factory. So that's where we're going right now. As you can see, there are lots of pictures of cocoa, and that's a product that is very popular in Guatemala. And chocolate, of course, is made of cocoa. This is a very interactive place. It's not just a factory. You can also grab something to eat, grab something to drink, but it is also possible to make your own chocolate. I remember that I did it once, and you're able to see the whole process. You can make the chocolate by yourself and all the ingredients and decorate it as you want. And as you can see, there are places where you can see the information about the chocolate. There are places where you can see how it's made. You can read about it. And here there are different types of cocoa from Ghana, from Madagascar, from Ivory Coast, from Ecuador, and also from Dominican Republic. It's a pity that they don't have any from Guatemala. It's possible to personalize your own chocolate with your picture. It costs 45 zlotys, which is the equivalent to 11 euro, and then you can select start whichever chocolate you want, and then you can select whichever one seems better for you. And finally, you have to add the picture. We're not going to, because we don't want to buy it, but at least you know, if you want a personalized chocolate, you can do it. And there is a 3D cinema in this place as well. It just says that you have to ask for the information about the movies to the personnel. And as you can see here, it was something that the Mayas also used to consume, and it's written here that it's a drink that was taken or consumed by the gods. So that means that cocoa was very important in their culture. And now we're going to start chocolate. And you know, it's something interesting about this place is that it's been awarded many times. The chef, I don't remember what his name is, Pelczar, maybe his last name. He's very popular, and he has taken part in different competitions. So he has won many awards. That's just a sign that this place, it's nice and that the food is delicious and the chocolate is super special. One thing to note is that we're on a Sunday. It is 2 p.m. exactly right now. A lot of people are eating here, so you have to make sure that whether you come with time or you come on a different day or on a different hour, because right now it's packed here. This is chocolate with ice cream. It looks very nice. We're going to try to see how it is. Wow, it's so good. People, let me tell you something. I'm not a big fan of sweet things, but it's soft, creamy. You must try it. Ola is waiting. She's recording and she's waiting. I can see in her face that she's dying to try it. And I'm sure that you watching this also need to make sure and visit this chocolate factory. Please let me know down in the comments if you like eating a lot of sweets or you can just eat a little. And if you have watched my previous videos, you're going to notice that we like eating, and you're going to see probably, if you subscribe to our channel, us eating in different places. But I mean, at least you can get an insight and an honest opinion of how these places are. We're not experts in food, we just like eating and trying different things. Now let's go for this. Fantastic. As I said before, I don't like things when they're too sweet. This one is just great. So that was our quick visit to the chocolate factory in Korczyna. It was delicious, and make sure that if you have the chance to visit this place, do it, because you're not going to regret it. Thanks a lot for watching today's video, and make sure you hit the like button, you subscribe, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Greetings from someone who ate a very delicious chocolate today.